Namaskar friends, I am Amit and you are watching Plastic Industry YouTube channel. Today our topic of discussion is seller versus consultant, a perspective every business must understand. A seller's role is clear, present the product, highlight its features, position its benefits effectively. That is both his responsibility and the right approach. However, seller can only promote what he has to offer even if he is aware of alternative or possibly better solutions, he is unlikely to discuss them as they do not contribute to his sales objectives. A consultant, on the other hand, operates differently. A true consultant provides holistic perspective covering all available options including current solutions and future possibilities. He represents knowledge, domain expertise, and unbiased guidance, not a specific product or brand. The real difference lies in customers' mindset. Open minded customers seek insights, adapt, and grow. Apprehensive customers often miss opportunities and remain underinformed. Current industry insight. I will relate to plastic industry because I belong to plastics and I am a plastic industry expert. Now, what is the role of LPG in plastic industry? Basically, LPG is widely used in manufacturing aerosols, and aerosols, irrespective of the industry, including plastic industry, is used to manufacture maintenance sprays, different other types of sprays, as well as very important for injection molding machines and process is mold release spray, both silicone base and silicone lace. Now, silicone base is normally used for all applications excluding food grade. Food grade requires silicone free. Now, these are basic supplies. Without this, any plastic injection molding process or any plastic processing process will be disrupted. Why? Because maintenance will be tougher. Why? Because if you don't spray raw material, plastic is likely to get stuck to the mold surface. And if it is stuck to the mold surface, ejection becomes harder. And if the ejection becomes harder, your cycle time increases because you will spend a lot of time to take the molded parts out. It will not come out very easily. So, the purpose and the role of this mold release spray is to, for every start of the injection molding process cycle, we after ejection spray, and that spray is made with liquid petroleum gas LPG. Because of current geopolitical scenario, the LPG is not able to cross easily Hormuz Strait. We have restrictions there. So we have to talk to some other countries, some other suppliers, and Indian government is able to bring from alternative source, but that adds to the cost, that adds to transit time. Overall, the price increases and the supply is uncertain. So today on 1st of April, we have received government information that the petrol, diesel prices as well as liquid petroleum prices have been increased. So, if the supply is not certain, if the price is increased, then with the recent increase in commercial LPG prices in India, driven by supply chain disruptions, the plastic industry is likely to feel the ripple effect. Expected impact: reduced availability of maintenance sprays, limited supply of mold release sprays. These materials are critical for maintaining machine uptime, ensuring faster and efficient production. The result: potential decline in industrial output due to the constraints in both raw materials as well as essential support materials. But every challenge brings an opportunity. The situation could open new avenues for plastic processors, those who are ready to think ahead and adapt. How? I will cover this in my next video. So please subscribe. Stay updated, stay tuned. Namaskar.